Very good to all, my name is Jem Ortega Diaz, also known as German145, and we're in the video for today. This time, I'm with Jeremias Gonzalez with Activity 11, the life cycle. This time, nitrogen. So let's get started.
Alright, so how the nitrogen cycle is performed? Well, it is a biochemical process through which nitrogen is converted into many forms, consecutively passing from the atmosphere to the soil to organisms and back into the atmosphere. It involves several processes such as nitrogen fixation, nitrification, denitrification, decay, and putrefaction.
It is initial step of the nitrogen cycle here, atmospheric nitrogen, which is primarily available in inert form, is converted into usable form ammonia. During the process of nitrogen fixation, the inert form of nitrogen gas is deposited on the soils from the atmosphere and surface waters, mainly through precipitation. Types of nitrogen fixation. Atmospheric fixation, another phenomenon where the activity of lightning breaks the nitrogen into nitrogen oxides, which are then used by plants. Industrial nitrogen fixation. It is a man-made alternative that aids in nitrogen fixation by the use of ammonia. Ammonia is produced by the direct combination of nitrogen and hydrogen. Later, it is converted to various fertilizers such as urea. And final, biologic nitrogen fixation. We already know that nitrogen is not used directly by the air by plants and animals. Bacteria like Rhizosium, a blue-green algae, is transformed to the usable form of nitrogen into other compounds that are readily usable. These nitrogen compounds get fixed in the soil by these microbes.
Now we are going to talk about its importance on Earth. I'm going to talk about a pair of the things that it helps, if I could say like that. So it helps plants to synthesize chlorophyll from the nitrogen compounds, and it also helps in converting inert nitrogen gas into a usable form for the plants through the biochemical process. It also, we could also say that nitrogen is an integral component of the cell, and it forms many crucial compounds and important biomolecules.
Our final conclusion. Nitrogen is abundant in the atmosphere, but it is unusable to plants or animals unless it is converted into nitrogen compounds. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria play a crucial role in fixing atmospheric nitrogen and nitrogen compounds that can be used by plants. The plants absorb the usable nitrogen compounds from the soil through their roots. Then, these nitrogen compounds are used for the production of proteins and other compounds in plant cells.
These activities gave us the opportunity to be back to know even more about the ecosystems that are around us and are in our country. To know about the flora and the fauna of the diversity of each type of ecosystem that are in Yucatan, and also they teach us the importance of the biogeochemical cycle, especially the nitrogen.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.